Yeah, hi. This is a immunity wristband. So in this immunity wristband, we are using Arduino Nano and ADXL335, one alarm, and here we are using 9 volts battery. Now I am wearing this wristband, so it's on off based. So if you keep like this, it's everything work fine. If you goes like this, it it gives the buzzer and the LED should be on and off. Okay. So the hand should goes to up, the buzzer should on. So don't touch your face. So your hand, left hand or right hand, you can do it as right hand also. So if you keep like this, it's nothing should be happen. So when you go straight to your face, then the alarm will give you buzzes. So smart wristband or humidity, don't touch your hand to your face. The buzzer should be on and off. It indicates that your face should be goes to your hand should be goes to your face. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. But if your goes to straight, then the alarm should be on.